Hey, what's up guys? Alex here. It's an overcast Saturday afternoon here in Toronto. Just got off the subway and about to head home. We just completed a nearly 2 hour long race we did from Sheppard West Station to Long Branch Loop via multiple routes. So what you're going to see now are condensed clips from my point of view. Me and Yahia, we both raced three other guys, Jonah, Jonathan, and Sepand, down to Long Branch. So our route was easy. We took the subway to Pioneer Village, and then we took the 960 across to Martin Grove, and then we took the 927 all the way down to Kipling Station, where we then transferred to the 123C to Long Branch Loop. And then the other team, theirs was a lot more complicated and crazier than ours. They took the 84 to Jane, then the 35 down to Lawrence, and then the 52 to Weston Up Express Station, where they took the train to the airport, and then we took the 900 all the way down to Kipling Station, and then they took the 44 to Horner, and then the 110 down to Long Branch. Right now, I mean, you can just skip over to the end, but this race took us nearly 2 hours for us to complete, at least for me and Yahia. And I'm not gonna say who won just yet, but we had a lot of fun doing this race. So I want to thank Yahia for kind of organizing this a little bit, and definitely want to thank Jonathan and Sepand and Jonah for coming out. We were gonna add a sixth person, but that sixth person wasn't available for that race. But yeah, I'm gonna go home and edit this now. It's freaking cold, but I definitely hope you enjoy, and leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And stay tuned for more videos, and check out my others as well. So, take care and enjoy the video. Alright, so me and Yahia got our own plan. We're cheating for this first part of the race, so we're going to be doing what we did back in June and head over to Pioneer Village with the subway. And the other three, they're going to take either the 106 or 108, but the 106 is already right up there, so... Oh, perfect. Here comes ours. Yep. Unfortunately, we might be going slow for this part. Alright, so we are now on. So 1, 2, 3, we've got 4 stations, but who knows how long it's going to take, because the trains have been coming in very slow, and now we are going to go slow as a snail. So all I know is that we're definitely going to get to Pioneer Village first. So again, this is a replication of the race we did back in June, 4 of us except for Jonah. So
yep.
Let's see how long this takes. I've actually, by the way, since Jonathan counted down, I've timed it, so yeah, this is gonna be a great one. Finch West Station. I got out this station a lot when going to high school. In fact, I did this like many times with a friend. Either we would take the 931 or even the subway up here, and then we just go across to the 939. Such memories. Anyway, 2 stations to go. Pioneer Village Station. There's a time right there. Hold on. Yeah, I just want to show everyone the time. And by the way, I should mention it's also another cold one, even though it was just snowing. It's minus 11 out there. This is a very nice, huge station. No. That was the horn. I gotta replay that and see and hear how that went. All right, so 10:21, and it's been 12 minutes since we've left the other team. I wonder I wonder what route they're on now, but we're gonna head over to the buses. So we would have to catch our buses on that side. There's the buses that are heading to Finch Station.
Excelsior, already here.
Yeah, yep, that's on the 41. Okay, let's see here. 960D, 10 minutes. I don't think that's...
That has to be on the 106 or the 108.
Yeah, one of them. Either way, they'll be stopping like right there. So like there's the 108 heading back to Sheppard West. So one of them will be here pretty soon.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
There we go, finally, and it's freaking cold. So that was a pretty long wait. And now we're nearing the 30-minute mark of this race here. And Yahia did message Jonah, asked him where he was. And he's like, I'm not telling you in a million years. So if they're not going to tell us where the hell they are, then we're not going to do the same. But either way, they did not know that we did not take the 106, even though it was right there after we counted down. But anyway, I don't think it should take too long. I'm not going to film a regular bus ride on this. So yeah, I'll see you when we get to Martin Grove and Steeles. Yeah, you see a CN freight train over in the distance. I think that's on the Burke subdivision. And Highway 47 right behind it. We just left North York, now we're in Etobicoke. Well, if you're on the south side, but for us, we're in Vaughan right now. So like, what freaking gives? 9:27's in 1 minute, but we probably might even make it. Alright, so
where is our bus?
That would be it right there.
927. Alright. Where do we find it though?
Right there, right at that stop. So we just missed it. That means we gotta wait another freaking 10 minutes. Anyway, welcome to Strodeland. Look at this hellscape here. It's not very pedestrian friendly around here. Yeah. See, look. This is gonna be a very fast ride to get down to Kipling Station. So
he's turning.
yeah. We'll just get the next one. We'll just get the next one. Should be in 10 minutes. I knew that shit would happen. That's a big loss for us. So guys, you can see we're halfway through the race. So we started at Sheppard West. We went all the way to Pioneer Village, and we took, this is an old map. We took the 960 all the way right here, and now we're gonna hop on the 920 and take it all the way down. It's gonna be a very, very fast ride down to Kipling, and then the 123, and that's our finish point. So we'll see if we get there first or not. But it's gonna be it's really gonna be a hell of a ride. And to let you guys know that we have been doing this for 46 minutes now. So yep, it won't be long until our bus comes.
One eternity later.
There we are. Time for a fun ride down the 27. Alright, we are now at Humber College Bus Terminal, and this is how long we've been going for. Time for the part where we zoom down probably like friggin' 50 kilometers an hour. It's gonna be a fun and fast ride. Let's go. Woodbine Fantasy Fair right inside. It's the largest indoor amusement park in Ontario. God, I loved going there. It's a shame it's all changed now, and it's not really attracting much visitors.
Yeah, like I probably would have done the same thing, but regarding the sandwich, I don't know if I would have thought. I was like, it's fast.
A few moments later.
Alright, so we have made it to Kipling Station, and a bit of a fast ride, but here we are now. There's the time elapsed and the actual time.
A few minutes later.
You see, because of this freaking construction, it's really just messed the whole thing up. Like it's really, oh my god. Yeah, like, yeah, because of
those people are standing right there.
Yeah, we just went all the way there for nothing. Yeah, every time I go to Kipling, they always mess this freaking shit up. It's preposterous. Like, I can't even stand it. Anyway, really took us this long because of all the freaking mess. Alright, so let me show you here. This is the main branch, right?
Yeah.
This is the C branch. Solely the C. Goes right here, and then it's going to keep going all the way down to our final destination. While the B branch goes through the East Mall, but it still loops through Sherway Gardens, and then it just follows the rest of the route down. So the C is coming first, so that's going to take a little longer than it will be to I gotta edit some of that out because we really like walked around here for like fucking nothing.
2 seconds later.
Happy to report that we're on an OG diesel 8050. These are in the process of retirement. I couldn't get the bus coming in because it was really busy, and as you can tell, it is kind of packed here, but yeah, at least we got a good seat. And we're gonna ride this all the way down to Long Branch, our last route of this race. Will we get to Long Branch first, or will we be dead last?
Hashtag Team Alex for the win.
Yes, exactly, Yahia, exactly. Already on Brown's line. We should get to our final destination in the next 5 minutes. And I guess we should be feeling nervous now because who knows what the other three decided to do. Instead of deviate from their actual plans, you know. Some nice suburban housing here along Brown's line. Here we are, Long Branch Loop, the very southwestern corner of the city. And there's Mississauga just down the road. I don't see any sign of them just yet. Yep. Alright, now let's see how long it's been. It's probably been, I think we probably reached the 2-hour mark.
I don't see them anywhere.
Yeah, me neither, but guess what?
Looks like Team Alex has won.
Look, we're just 5 minutes shy of the 2-hour mark. It literally took us 1 hour and 55 minutes just to get down here. So, I'm gonna start a new lap here and see how long it takes for them to get back here, but there he goes, heading back to Kipling Station. Oh, he's doing the 123B now. All right. So I guess we made it here first.
Yeah.
We did it, guys. But the race is not actually over yet because now we gotta wait for the three of them. I had a very slight feeling that that they would cheat, but maybe they did cheat, and they're probably still on their way down here. So, I don't know if we should let them know that we're here, but who knows how long we're gonna have to be standing here in the freezing cold. So, I mean, we can always go inside there. So, yeah, I guess we'll be waiting here for a while.
11 minutes later.
Well, that took 12 minutes for us to wait. So. Well, that took them 12 minutes to get here after we arrived. So... Haha! We beat you guys. We beat you 3.
You guys took the 110, eh?
What?
Cheating!
No, we took it.
That's cheating!
Why? It's just a bus.
I said no 110, no go train.
It took 2 hours and 5 minutes.
It took 1 hour and 55 minutes to get here from Sheppard West. I timed it myself.
We might have beaten them if we took the 44.
If we took the earlier 44 instead of saying on a 123 with no driver.
Oh, you guys lost.
No, wait, it took an hour and 55.
Yeah, an hour and 55. We only got here like 12 minutes ago.
Yeah.
Where was your route?
So my route was the, alright, it was the subway to Pioneer Village, the 960 to Highway Martin Grove, then we took the 927 all the way down to Kipling, and then the 123C here. That was it.
Wow.
And what was your route? How did you get here this time?
We took the 84 to the 35 to the 52 to the up to the 900, and then we were supposed to go on the 123, but we took the 44 instead, and then the 110.
Oh wow, you took a lot more routes than we did.
What? Yeah.
And you also took a different transit agency too. It was the Up Express. You just went to Pearson, and then.
Yeah.
That 900.
All right. Well, I should film you guys saying like what your route was.
Yeah, I guess.
No wait. Oh wait. So.